Hi, I'm Austin Reithman, and I've been here for a year and a half co-oping. I got started at JR Manufacturing through a day at the lake where they had a little booth set up, and I was walking around talking to people. Turned out that they had an opportunity open for a co-op, which they haven't had in a while, and I applied online, and they were wanting to bring me in for an interview, came in and interviewed, and took the position as the new model design co-op. Recently, I've signed a letter of intent to come work at JR after I graduate this coming May, and I plan to come here and work on full-time. I enjoy what I do here, and it's been a great experience, and I'm glad I'm able to continue that experience here at JR. Co-oping has been great here at JR. It's gave me valuable lessons to even talk with other students at the Lake campus. I'm able to talk with some of my friends about real-life examples that I'm going through day to day, and they're able to do the same because they're also co-oping at the same time. So we're able to exchange different points of view throughout actual real-life industry. So here at JR, during my co-op, they have a tuition reimbursement plan that I've recently signed up for, and now, since I've been here for 2 years, there's a plan that gives you a certain percentage up front, and then the rest gets reimbursed over the next 3 years. It's great to be able to work here, gain experience as a co-op. It's great to be paid to go to school. If you're looking for a great co-op opportunity, go to jrmanufacturing.net.